I want to take it out, so I'll use this frying pan. I say frying pan. So I'll use this pot to fry the rice. So guys, this is my fried chicken. I'm done frying all of them. So I'll just go ahead. Then I'll add my rice. Side it, so I'll just add my cup and fry. I'll be adding one seasoning cube because I'll still pour in my meat stock here. I'll just add in my, this oil is too much, like I think I'll take some out. Okay. This is my meat stock. I just added it. So guys, this is the oil I removed from that meat stock. I'll be the meat stock won't be enough to make the rice. I'll just add hot water. Hot water. Spice. I'll be adding this fried rice spice just to give it that with my Benny and add to it. So the rice have to though not too strong, but these are my vegetables. This is red, yellow and green bell pepper, and this is my carrots, this is my green beans. So I just want to this is my ginger and garlic. I'll be using this thing to grate it. So I'll be using 3 eggs. I'll just add on this. My phone stopped recording. This is the egg that I fried. Using this pot, I'll just be adding some. So I'll just add my ginger that I grated. Then I'll add my onion, green beans, add my bell pepper. The bell pepper that I cut yesterday. Curry, just a little bit. I'll be adding my cooking oil. I'll add one seasoning cube. Scotch bonnet pepper that I pounded. Little cabbage. Take out some of these. this is my sweet corn. I'm supposed to add this to my fried. Add it like that. Adding my vegetable. My rice is ready. My fried rice is ready. This is the best fried rice.